Holy sunshine. What's going on, everybody? So, as you can see, we've got these hoops up here. This is where we're going to put our plastic over. This is what it's going to look like without the plastic on top. But we've got to do a few things. If we're going to plant in here, what do we need to do? We need to first pull this all back, and then we're going to take flame weed it, get rid of all the old junk that's growing underneath it. We'll put the plastic over it, see if anything will grow. We'll flame weed it again, pull whatever we got to do, and then we're going to lay compost, fertilizer, all that stuff, and get this going. So here we go. So I just got a question from one of my top viewers asking if we're able to step on the beds. And the answer is no. Try never to step on your beds, even when you're not growing anything, because it keeps it nice and fluffy. This is sign language for fluffy. Jessica's gonna turn on the water here. I'm just chilling. You know how we do it. Chill it. Chill it. But yeah, looks good. Still got the rebar in place. We'll get this all wet down real good. Put the irrigation pipe back. Jessica, go, 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 Jessica, go, go. You're a farmer, Get your crop on, Go, Jessica, go, 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 Jessica, go, go. Leave my fall back. Go, 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 Jessica, go, go,
Go, go.
What happened? Nothing.
Go, go.
You gotta get your face like you're over there support. Like this is how true there's. Go, Jessica.
Go, Jessica.
Go, go.
Go, Jessica. Go, go.
Go, Jessica. Go, go. We support you. We support you. Get your farm on. Spit in your face. Go, Jessica. Go, go.
Go, Jessica. Go, go. Go, Jessica. Go, go. Go, Jessica. Go, go. Go, Jessica.
Go, go. Go, Jessica. Go, go. Go, Jessica. Go, go.
Go, Jessica.
Get your farm on. Get your farm on. Get your crop on. Get your crop on. Now rake.
I'm not raking.
Oh. Now forward. Go, Jessica. Go, Jessica. Go. Get your farm on. Yeah, you love it. I'm cheering you on because I love you. Go, Jessica. Go, Jessica. Go. Here's Orion. Here's a daddy. Go, Jessica. Go, Jessica. Go.
Good.
Just think of it as a workout. And it'd be great. It's not work. It's a workout.
And you get your own personal cheerleader.
It's gonna be really hard to seed if we can't walk over each of them, you know?
What a mess.
I think we need to seed, put up tunnels, then run that shit down tunnels, then plastic.
Got him.
Here. Here.
Got him.
So, realize that if I'm going to do this right, I should probably not do the irrigation here.
When are we gonna pick up
Because,
the
gotta put seeds down, so, sorry for making a video about nothing. 24 minutes.
Of nothing?
Yeah, and that's just one take, because there's 2 takes, so I probably got a half-an-hour video of absolutely nothing. I showed these guys absolutely nothing, and I'm going to put it on YouTube because you guys are my fans. Later.